Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Once again, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Students, before to start our today's session, we will just take a short review of previous concept, whatever we had learned in lesson number 4. Means in previous session, we had started lesson number 4, that is being safety. And also I had taught you some rules which you have to follow in the home. Okay. So now I will just read out those safety rules. Okay. You just pay attention on the board. Which rules we have to follow when we are at home? Now listen to me. Do not play with switches and plugs. In the last session also I told you, you should not play with switches and plugs. Next, do not play with matchsticks or fire. Why? If you will play with matchsticks or fire, your skin may burn. Next one is, do not play with knives, blades or other sharp or pointed things. You should not play with knives, blades or other sharp or pointed things. Why? If you will play with those sharp or pointed things, you may get injured. Next, do not touch anything hot. In case if an accident, inform an adult. Okay, you should not touch to anything hot. If in case of an accident, inform an adult. Next one is, do not touch switches with wet hand. If your hands are wet, if you want to switch any plug, then before that dry your hands. Never touch the switches with your hands. Why? You can get a shock. So these were some safety rules which we had learned in last session, and just now we have revised all those rules. Okay? I think your books are with you. Okay? So today we will learn some new rules that we should follow at school, on the road or on the playground. Now everybody open page number 188. Come on, open it fast. Okay. Now keep the book in front of you and listen. See children, now what we are going to learn first, safety at school. When we are in the school, that time which rules we should follow. See, do you know what is meant by safety? See, safety means staying away from harm or danger. In the last period also I have told you what is meant by safety, to stay away from harm or danger. Now see, listen, here are a few rules we must follow to stay safe at school. When we are in the school, that time we should follow some safety rules. So see, which are those safety rules? Do not push anyone because it can hurt others. While going up or down the stairs, you should not push anyone. Why? If you will push to one another, then they may get or you may get hurt. Okay? Next rule is, do not run in the corridor. You should not run in the corridor because it is very dangerous for small kids. If you are running, if you are playing in the corridor, and suppose if small kids comes in between, then they may collide, okay, and a serious injury may take place. Understood, children? Why you should not run in the corridor? Because if you are running in the corridor, if you are playing in the corridor, then it is very dangerous for small kids. And while playing in the corridor or while running in the corridor, if small kids comes in between, they may collide, they may fall down, and a serious injury may take place. So avoid running in the corridor. Okay, is that clear? See next. Do not bring or use sharp objects. Some children have that habit while coming to school. They put some sharp objects in their bags and they brings to school, and they play with that sharp objects in a classroom. Okay, and if you will play with those sharp objects, if you will bring those sharp objects to school, then they may hurt you. Okay, otherwise your skin may cut. Next, do not put objects into your or someone else's nose, ears, mouth or eyes. Never ever put objects into your or someone else's nose, ears, mouth or eyes. Sometimes what happens, children? You put small pencils, erasers in someone else's nose or ears. Okay, so you should not do it because it will be a very dangerous for you. It will be risky for you if you will put some objects in someone else's nose, ears, mouth or eyes. Is it clear? Okay. Once again I will repeat which rules we must follow to stay safe at school. Okay, listen. Do not push anyone because it can hurt others. Do not run in corridor. Do not bring or use sharp objects. Do not put objects into your or someone else's nose, ears, mouth or eyes. Okay, now we will go ahead. See, on the road, whenever we walk on the road, that time we should take care of ourselves. Okay, we must follow safety rules to stay safe on the road. So now listen, which are those rules? Always follow traffic rules. First rule is we must follow traffic rules strictly. We should not break the traffic rules. Why those rules are made? Only for our safety. वो ट्रैफिक रूल्स किसके लिए बनाए होते हैं? हमारे लिए और हमारे सेफ्टी के लिए ही बनाए होते हैं. That's why we should not break the traffic rules. Cross the road only with elders. Listen once again. Cross the road only with elders. If you want to cross the road, then with the help of your elders, cross the road. And listen children, if nobody is with you, if elders are not with you, then cross the road only when traffic has stopped. अगर आपके साथ कोई एल्डर नहीं है, आपके पेरेंट्स नहीं है, मम्मी या पापा, and if you want to cross the road, then when you should cross the road, first see whether the traffic has stopped or no. If the traffic has stopped, then only cross the road. Okay? If you are alone. And if the elders are with you, then no problem. You can easily cross the road. Next rule is use the footpath to walk. When we walk on the road, that time we should use the footpath to walk. Listen, if footpath is not there, अगर रोड पे फुटपाथ नहीं है, then walk on your right side. अगर रोड पे फुटपाथ नहीं है तो आपके राइट साइड जो होती है वो राइट साइड से आपको क्या करना है, चलना है. Why? If you will walk to your right side, then you will be able to see oncoming vehicles. अगर आप राइट साइड से चलते हैं तो सामने से जो व्हीकल आते हैं वो आपको इजीली दिख सकते हैं. Is it clear? What I told you, use the footpath to walk, and if footpath is not there, then walk to your right side so that you will be able to see oncoming vehicles. Next rule is always cross at the zebra crossing. Can you see here? This is the zebra crossing. Means white black strips are there on the road. It is known as a zebra crossing. Then do not run while walking or while crossing the road. Don't run. Why? It may happen an accident if you will run on the road. So avoid running on the road. Okay. Next rule is do not play on the road. Never play on the road. Got it, children? Which safety rules we should follow while walking on the road? Once again, I will read out all these rules. See, always follow traffic rules. Cross the road only with elders. Use the footpath to walk. Next one is always cross at the zebra crossing. Do not run. Do not play on the road. You should not play on the road. You should not run on the road. Always use the footpath to walk. Then cross the road only with elders and always follow the traffic rules. Okay? And if you will break the traffic rules, then you have to pay the fine. Is it clear? Next, while playing. See children, while playing, which rules we have to follow? Okay? Do not play with sharp objects. What will happen if you will play with sharp objects like blades, knives or scissors? What will happen if you will play with sharp objects like blades, knives or scissors? Those objects may cut your skin. Okay? Next rule is do not hurt anyone during the game. See children, while playing on the playground or while playing some games. Some children have that habit to hurt one another. So you should not hurt anyone during the game. अगर आप आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ खेलते हैं प्लेग्राउंड पे या फिर और भी कोई इंडोर आउटडोर गेम्स खेलते हैं, तो कभी कभी आप क्या करते हैं, जब भी आपको गुस्सा आता है तो आप क्या करते हैं, आपके सामने और आपके साथ जो भी खेल रहे हैं उनको क्या करते हैं, आप मारते हैं. सो यू शुड नॉट डू दैट. ओके. नेक्स्ट, कीप द टॉयज in their proper place after you finish playing. Someone may trip over them and fall. भी यहाँ क्या है देखो, keep the toys in their proper place after you finish playing. As soon as you finish your playing, then put all the toys in their proper place. If you will not put your toys in their proper place, then what will happen? Someone may trip over them and fall. अगर खेलने के बाद जो भी आपके टॉयज है वो आप उधर ही रखते हैं, अगर कोई छोटा बच्चा आता है उधर से जा रहा है तो क्या हो सकता है, वो उसमें अटक कर नीचे गिर सकता है. So to avoid this, after you finish playing, keep all the toys in their proper place so that nobody will trip over them and they will not fall. Okay. Next, do not stand on the swing. प्लेग्राउंड पर क्या होते हैं, स्विंग्स होते हैं. वो स्विंग पर आपको कभी भी खड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए. सपोज इफ यू विल स्टैंड ऑन द स्विंग, देन यू मे फॉल ऑन योर फेस. ओके. सो टू अवॉइड दैट, डोंट स्टैंड ऑन द स्विंग. नेक्स्ट, डू नॉट स्टैंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ or behind the swing. Never stand in front or behind the swing. Suppose अगर आप स्विंग के सामने या पीछे खड़े होते हैं और कोई स्विंग पे खेल रहा है तो क्या हो सकता है, जब स्विंग सामने आ जाता है या फिर जोर से पीछे जाता है, देन व्हाट विल हैपन, आपको वो लग सकता है. So never ever stand in front of swing or behind the swing. Okay. Is it clear? Do you understood? कौन से रूल्स आपको फॉलो करने हैं while playing? Okay. Once again listen. I will just read out. Do not play with sharp objects like blades, knives, scissors, nails. Okay. Next, do not hurt anyone during the game. Keep the toys in their proper place after you finish playing. Someone may trip over them and fall. Next one is, do not stand on the swing. Next, do not stand in front of or behind the swing. Okay. Now see next. Did you know children? See, traffic lights help to control the traffic. Why the traffic rules are made? To control the traffic. I think in UKG you had been learned one rhyme related to traffic signal. Correct? Red light rhymes. Isn't it? See, what the meaning of all those lights? Do you know the meanings of those lights? Red light is there, yellow light is there, green light is there. What does mean red light? What does mean yellow light? What does mean green light? What messages this light gives you? Okay, listen. The red light says stop. When the red light glows, that time you must stop. You should not go ahead. Next, the yellow light says wait. When it turns yellow, then it means wait. You should wait. Next, the green light says go. When it turns green, it means you can go ahead. Okay? So, whenever you travel, follow all these traffic signals to avoid the accident. Okay? Next, cross the road only when the walk signal is green. Okay? Cross the road only when the walk signal is green. Got it? See, downside these signals are there, red and green. When the signal is green, then only cross the road, and when the signal is red, don't cross the road. When it will turn green, then only cross the road. Got it, children? Now open next page, page number 189. Okay. Now see, children, in this lesson what we have learned. See, being safe. How to be safe? So which are the rules that we should follow at home, at school, on the road, at playground, or while playing on the playground? Do not play with switches and fire. As I told you before, never try to play with switches or fire. Next, do not play with knives and blades. Why? Because the one side of knife and both the sides, both the edges of blades are very sharp, and if you will play with knives or blades or scissors, needles, they may cut your skin. So avoid playing with knives and blades. Got it? One more time listen. Safety rules that we should follow at home. Do not play with switches and fire. Do not play with knives and blade. Also, do not touch the switches with wet hands. Next, at school, do not run in corridor. I told you why you should not play in the corridor. If you will run in the corridor, it will be harmful or it will be dangerous for small kids. And if you run or if you play in the corridor and by mistake suppose small kids come in between, they may collide and fall and a serious injury may take place. अगर आप कॉरिडोर में भागते हैं, कुछ गेम खेलते हैं और खेलते समय बीच में अगर कोई भी छोटे बच्चे आते हैं तो क्या हो सकता है? वो अटक कर नीचे गिर सकते हैं और उनको इंजरी हो सकती है. नेक्स्ट, डू नॉट insert objects into your eyes, nose, mouth or ears. If you will put any objects like pencil, small pieces of erasers, stones in your nose, eyes, mouth or ear, it may be risky to you. So, avoid doing all this when you are at school. What you should avoid? Avoid running in the corridor, then avoid inserting objects in your eyes, nose, mouth or ears. Next, on the road, follow traffic rules. Strictly you have to follow the traffic rules. Never try to break the traffic rules. If you will try to break the traffic rule, then traffic police may fine you. You have to pay a particular fine if you will break the traffic rules. Use the zebra crossing and footpath. While walking on the road, always use footpath. If the footpath is not there, then walk on your right side so that you will be able to see oncoming vehicles and it may prevent accident. And always cross the road with your elders. If the elders are not with you, then cross the road when traffic has stopped. Okay? Next, at play. Do not play with sharp objects. Just now I told you, if you will play with sharp objects, they may cut your skin. So, avoid playing with sharp objects like blades, scissors and knives. Is that clear? Next, do not hurt anyone. While playing, you should not hurt anyone. Okay? Understood, children? All the safety rules. Which rules you should follow at home, at school, on the road and at playground. Okay? And do you understood what is meant by safety? Safety means to stay away from harm or injury. Got it? Okay. Now, we will read out some hard words. Okay? I will just read out. You make underline below that and read out those hard words at your home. S-A-F-E-T-Y, safety. Make underline below this word. S-A-F-E-T-Y, safety. Next, H-A-R-M, harm. Do underline H-A-R-M, harm. Next, D-A-N-G-E-R, danger. Do underline below this word. D-A-N-G-E-R, danger. Come to the next page. Whatever the words I am going to read, just make underline below that. Next, S-W-I-T-C-H-E-S, switches. Next word, M-A-T-C-H-S-T-I-C-K-S, matchsticks. Next one, K-N-I-V-E-S, knives. Do underline below these words. Next word, B-L-A-D-E-S, blades. Are you doing the underlines below those words? No? Okay. Next, S-H-A-R-P, sharp. S-H-A-R-P, sharp. Next, ACCIDENT, accident. ACCIDENT, accident. Now come to the next page. Do underline below this word. CORRIDOR, corridor. CORRIDOR, corridor. Next, OBJECTS, objects. Done. Next word, TRAFFIC, traffic. Do underline below the words. Next word, FOOTPATH, footpath. Next word, ZEBRA, zebra. CROSSING, crossing. The whole word is zebra crossing. Done. Next word is SWING, swing. Swing means joker. Done. Okay. Now listen children, whatever the words we have read out, just once again read those words at home, and today we will finish. Today we have finished. So whatever the rules I have taught you, just try to follow all those rules at home, on the road, while playing, and at the school. Okay? We will meet in the next session. Till that, take care children. Bye.